Okay, just arrived at my job this morning in sunny Bournemouth in Christchurch. Got a block paving job today. So today we'll be cleaning this very heavily soiled and weedy block paving drive. And then as soon as possible, return to put in some nice fresh kiln dried sand. As you can see, there is a lot of moss throughout the whole of this drive and weeds. I'm also going to clean this little bit of patio here, which I've thrown in extra, and cobbled at the top. Quite a large area. I think this is about 85 square meters. The dirtier the better, I say. Yeah, a lot of weeds, a lot of moss, very thick moss. So this is going to be a fun one. So stay tuned for the results. And here's the finished result. Unfortunately, they've put their cars on very quickly, but as you can see, it has cleaned up. Really nice. No black spot, no lichen. Customers really happy. So much so that I've come back to price up cleaning the rear patio, but it has cleaned up. Very nice. So click subscribe. And if you need any information or you're looking for a quote, then contact JMS Exterior Cleaning on 07983 535345.